Today we're going to be installing PearOS, a Linux distro similar looking to macOS, Apple's operating system. This should be a pretty clean install. The only thing I'm worried about is my graphics card may not be supported because it doesn't support OpenGL 2.3. The thing is, the ISO is 3.4 gigabytes, so I need to install it over USB because CDs can only hold 700 megabytes. And I don't have any DVDs available at the time. Oh, there it goes. PearOS installer. Can't read what that one says. I'm just gonna go with the first one because I don't have NVIDIA drivers. I don't exactly know what FOSS GPU drivers are, but I'm gonna try it. It's funny how I took the Apple logo and basically just turned it into a pear. As you can see on the screen, it looks very good for how old that monitor is. It uses the monitor very well. Yeah. 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 Looks like we're still booting up. And it looks like we booted up. I like the look of this. Oh, I'm going to install PearOS. Oh, maybe it's working. It definitely does not run the fastest on here. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Looks like they have 3 languages you can install: English, Romanian, and Czech. Oh, I think it just locked up. Oh. I guess install. I don't know. I think it quit the application. Yeah, I think it froze. Oh, it's even got the big mouse cursor. Okay. We pull back up again. I think we're good. PearOS recovery. I've never actually used. Well, I've used macOS at very little. I've never actually installed it. I guess I can't do an offline install in. I guess I do an online install in. I agree. I've seen other YouTubers install macOS before, and this looks very similar. Oh, I can't tell if it's frozen or if it's doing something. Oh, it crashed, I think. The USB drive is still blinking, so I'm going to let it sit for just a second. Maybe it's still loading. I don't think it's loading anything because the USB drive has stopped blinking. So I think I'm gonna restart. Seems like the right call. Oh, yep, it's not turning off the normal power button push, so I'm gonna have to hold it. Let's try again, hope it works. I guess I can try it again. I mean, the GPU drivers seem to work fine. I'm gonna try the same part again. I mean, I feel like this thing should be supported. I guess if it didn't support OpenGL, it probably wouldn't have loaded by now. Puppy Linux was such a smooth install, and I don't know about this one. Now the mouse looks tinier than last time. Never mind. Just readjusted. I think I'm trying to go slow this time instead of clicking stuff maybe twice. Just gonna like let it load for a minute and make sure everything's okay. I mean, it does look a lot like macOS. So I click the install PearOS button. Let's see if it runs. Yep. I would definitely like English because I don't speak Romanian or Czech. Let's install PearOS. I guess we'll do an offline install because online install didn't seem to work and this thing doesn't have the Wi-Fi drivers. Yep, I would like English. Yep, that's my time zone. English US, yep. I'm gonna erase disk. Yep, it's got the right disk. It's got my internal Samsung drive. Would like it to. Yep. Yep. And there it goes, off to installing. I don't know if it's frozen or what. My hard drive indicator is blinking and my USB drive is going, but it's still stuck at 7%. I'm gonna let it go for a little longer, see if it's actually doing something, or if it's locked up and just thinking it's doing stuff. Oh, nope, it got on to 8%. I guess it's just taking a little bit. I mean, this computer just scrapes by the minimum requirements for this. Yeah, it's crazy how I'm using this thing, because this is like booting the latest version of macOS off of a 7200 RPM hard drive. So it's not going to have great performance. It's like the minimum specs. Like it's like running an older Intel Mac on the latest version. Like it's not going to be a great time. I don't know if it's stuck because it's been on 85 for over a minute now. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer though. Okay, looks like it is all done. I'm gonna click done. I assume it's gonna reboot on its own. I could be wrong. Might be wrong. I'm gonna give it a minute in case it does still want to do something. Yeah, I'm gonna assume I can restart it. Give it a second till the USB drive stops flashing. Unplug it, so now we're just on the hard drive. Now let's see if it boots up in PearOS. Oh, PearOS bootloader. We're gonna load PearOS. Okay, looks like it's booting up. They did do a really good job of making it look like macOS. Like, this boot screen looks almost identical. I assume it hasn't locked up. Oh, yep, there it goes. It just went on a black screen for a minute, so I didn't know. Oh. This doesn't seem good. I can't tell if it's boot looping or just still loading. The hard drive is not having a good time though, it is struggling. Oh, looks like we're on the desktop. I think it's still loading the icons and everything, so I'm gonna give it another minute. Yeah, that hard drive indicator is on full time. And there's the famous Apple hello. Now, I hope it's not like Apple and you have to log into an account, because I really don't want to have to. America, New York. Oh. Oh, maybe not. This is a computer account, so probably local. Account name. I'm just gonna put it under Logan. PearOS machine is fine. Oh, I do have to make a password. Oh, sure. Can't tell if I should click continue again, or if I just let it sit for another minute. I clicked it again, and I'm gonna have to let it sit. I mean, yeah, this computer is barely scraping by. It may be frozen, because the hard drive indicator is full on. I mean, the mouse still moves. Maybe it's just creating files for my user account. I don't know. I think it's actually working because the hard drive indicator is now changing. So it looks like it might be working, just slowly. Yeah, I think the safe bet is I'm gonna reboot. Oh, so maybe, nope. Log out default. So I don't think it actually went through the install. Guess I can try to run it again and it's back up. But I don't want to have to reinstall it again. I don't think this is where I want to be. I'm going to restart. I don't know exactly what went wrong. Maybe it was supposed to restart there and just didn't. I don't know. Yeah, I was waiting for like 10 minutes on that screen and it still didn't do anything. I mean, it's the only boot option on there, so there's nothing else I can choose. No, like, safe mode or anything. Okay, back to the hello screen. So, I guess I'm gonna go through this installer here again, this part of the install process. A little weird before where it just didn't work. Guess I'm gonna try to do a different account now. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just go with the original. Seem to be stuck here again. Maybe I'll just let it go for longer this time. Okay. Looks like it's crashed the installer, maybe? Don't really know. Let's see. I mean, I don't really know if it's fully installed or not. Oh, I found my Wi-Fi. Which is really funny because there's no antennas on here. It's got the Wi-Fi card, but no antennas. Yeah. The download speed isn't measured in kilobits per second. I guess we can see what comes on it. I don't know. It's definitely not the smoothest. I've never actually used macOS more than like a couple minutes, so I think it's the search icon, right? Isn't that how you find apps? I don't know. Looks like there's a lot on here though. Let's see how fast the internet is on here with no antennas and no actual Wi-Fi driver. Oof. Oh, it got to 2. It's sitting probably about 2.5 on average. Maybe 2.25. Oh, yep, 2.09. Oh, what the upload? 0.1. Oh, not even. Oh. The system has locked up. I'm not able to move the mouse. Oh. So, not great internet speeds. You can probably tell. I mean, it seemed to be pretty responsive. Yeah, I don't actually know any default music. No. How to find all of my installed applications. I just haven't used Mac OS enough. Maybe I go to the App Store. It actually seems to be loading. Ooh, but my hard drive indicator is not liking it. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah, I don't think it actually created me an account installed. So it looks like we have quite a bit installed. 1,153 packages. That's crazy. Um, does it want my user password that it hadn't fully set up yet? No. The We're gonna try nothing. Nothing worked. Okay. Is it this? That looks like it's got applications. Yeah, I found the applications. So it looks like it comes with quite a bit. What is weird though is this says Dolphin. I don't think it means like the Wii emulator. But no, Dolphin just needs to do the file browser. I was about to say Dolphin Wii browser. That's a weird one to have on here. So I mean, like it looks like it has a mix of Apple applications and Linux. Like it's got the App Store, which is Apple, but it's also got like Gparted, which is a Linux thing. You have the welcome, Notch. I don't know what that is. All I can think of is Minecraft. It's got a media player on here. Got your system settings. Let's see. What else tell me about? Tells me it's an Intel Core Duo E7500, which is correct. That is the correct resolution. It's not the correct refresh rate, actually. This thing is a 60 hertz monitor, not 75. It's a bit weird, but it's only using 9 gigs of my storage. Oh, this thing can connect to Bluetooth. Let me see if I can use my Bluetooth speaker real quick, because I don't have any wired speakers available. So maybe it just doesn't have the correct Bluetooth drivers here, because it should find a couple of the devices just floating in my area. No battery, which is correct. What I don't understand is why they don't have on motherboards nowadays a way to read the CMOS battery. You can update it through here. That's kind of cool. That didn't sound good. Sounds like something my hard drive just failed. Sign into my Pair ID. I'll be right back. Let me create a Pair ID account online. Okay, let's see if it lets me log on. Just create an account on my other computer. What's funny is tab key doesn't work on macOS. To go down. Login script not found. That's a new one. I may have typed in my password wrong, but the way it said that makes it sound like there's some sort of other issue. And like it can't log on because it's not finding what it needs. I don't know. It was worth a shot. Well, this mouse doesn't work great on here for some reason. I think I can change the color though. Oh, but I gotta go to dark theme because dark theme is so much better. I don't see it actually change anything, but oh, maybe I don't want this. It's got Pear Intelligence, kind of like Apple Intelligence. Do I want to enable Peary like Siri? Not really. Yeah, it's based off of macOS Tahoe, like I thought. It's kind of cool. See what wallpapers it's got for default. Oh, it's taking a little bit to load off my hard drive. Okay, it looks like the system is locked up trying to open the wallpapers. Not great. Nope. System settings crashed. So, definitely not very powerful. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'm glad we got this thing installed. Oh, well, this is after I just ended. But I saw something that says memory shortage avoided. System settings has been terminated by a Linux kernel because the system is low on memory. So I guess it's not really recommended to run on 4 gigabytes of RAM.